some makeup. We're gonna put on some blush. It's a heart.
Huh?
It's a heart shape. Wait till I get it open. See that? There's a heart. What we do is we put it in here. And then smile. Say cheese. Leave it one heart right there. One heart right there. Cheese. Mommy's gonna get some too, and then watch what we're gonna do.
Let me get some.
A smile. Got one right there. And one right there. Cheese. Alright. Now we put that back in here like that. Alright, now look. Can you do this? Can you rub it? Add it on your... Good girl. Alright, and then we're gonna do some eyeshadow here in a minute. And some lips. You want some lips?
Yeah.
Just a minute. That looks beautiful on you. Alright, come on. If you're gonna let me, you want me to do your makeup, you gotta let me do it, okay?
I got some.
Pretty. Alright, next, we're gonna do eyeshadow. We're gonna do the Kaja Trio.
Kaja.
Yep, Kaja. So I think we're gonna put the dark eyeshadow on our eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, close your eyes. Let me put this on your eyes for you. Close your eyes. Keep them closed. Keep it closed. Sorry. Alright, close your eyes. Close them. Ooh. Pretty. Now Mommy's turn. Mommy's gonna do her eyeshadow too.
I like that.
You do? I like it too.
Me too.
Alright. Alright. Now what shade? Ooh, where should we use that? That's pretty.
I want that.
Alright, where you want? Let me see. I'm gonna do this one in the corner. Ooh.
I want that.
Ooh, that's
I want
pretty.
that.
Okay. Just a minute. Alright. Alright, here you go. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ooh. Alright, here comes my favorite part. Time for the lips. Ooh.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Ooh. Ooh.
Mom, what's that?
It's lips.
Well, you got that.
Mmm.
I want some
Alright, you want some?
on my nails.
No, you don't do it on your nails. Let me see. Be still. Be still. Alright, turn to me so I can see. Bless you. Bless you. Alright. You look so pretty. Look at yourself in the camera.